Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to remove Mastercard from your Facebook. For this, first go to facebook.com and log in your account. After logging in, go to your profile by click on your profile picture from the top right corner. Select your profile. Now after selecting it, from here select settings and privacy, then go to settings. Now from here you have to scroll down a little bit. Now you will see your ads payment here option here. Just click on it and you will see here your Mastercard here. So you will see an option remove option. Just click on it and follow the prompt to remove it, and that's it. That's how you can remove your Mastercard from your Facebook.